I'm outside here of Nikola Motors again. This is the 5th time I've been here, and the construction is moving along briskly. There's a lot of construction. I shot a nice aerial shot of it just a few minutes ago. So I think that Nikola Motors is actually progressing on, because they're spending millions of dollars, and I don't think they're just going to burn it. I think they're actually going to get a facility here. And every time I come here, every 3 weeks, it's progressing quite nicely. I wanted to point out one thing that I didn't shoot in the aerial shot. I don't know, maybe you can see it now. There's a lot more construction equipment here. There's another crane, which I might not show in the aerial shot, but I kind of want to show the roof. There's a lot of activity going on there. It looks like they got air conditioners up there and construction equipment on top of the roof. So things are moving along nicely. So I'm going to have to give a thumbs up. They're progressing along. Thank you for watching.